Hi guys, my name is Joseph and my channel's name is UpStarJo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 4 DIY hacks that you can use with corks. Guys, my daddy drinks wine and I've been saving up these wine corks to do a DIY for some things, and if any of your parents drinks wine, and stop getting rid of them. Use them for DIY hacks. And I'm gonna be calling my daddy to come help me. Daddy, come help me!
Okay, son, I'll be right there.
Yes.
All right, son, what's up? How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
All right. What do you want daddy to do for you? Hey,
Oh.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
I'm Joseph's dad.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna make 4 things.
Okay.
And I'm gonna tell you the things that we're gonna do.
Okay, first of all, is it going to be with the wine corks?
Yes.
I know you've been saving these wine corks for a while, and I keep
Yeah.
wondering, why do you keep them?
Okay.
Now I know why you're keeping them. For
Why?
DIY?
Yes.
Oh, nice. I like that. I like that.
Yes.
So, what do you expect me to help you do? Why do you want me to help you?
Oh, so the first thing I'm gonna tell you that we're gonna do is a cork where you put your earrings in. I'm gonna make them.
You don't use earrings. So who are you doing that for?
Naya, my sister.
Oh, why?
Oh, because sometimes she loses her earrings.
Oh, good idea. That helps protect and keep them.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
What else? Anything else?
Oh, and a stand, a phone stand.
Anything else?
Oh yeah, and a picture frame.
Okay.
And a cup holder for pens.
Okay.
And markers and pencils.
Whoa, that is about 4 different products, and I'm very excited to want to join you on this one. Are you ready to do this?
Yes.
You know me, I like adventures, I like to do stuff, I like doing new stuff, and each time you come up with a project like this, it makes me happy to want to do this with you.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it started. Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's go! Yeah! Okay, guys, I'm gonna be explaining what me and Daddy did. Well, Daddy did most of the gluing, yeah.
Yeah, you brought the idea, and I did the job because I didn't want you to use the glue so you don't get yourself burned.
Yeah.
But you brought the idea, and that's so nice of you, son.
Yeah.
So can you explain to the viewers what you did?
Okay, so the first one we made is this.
What is that about?
Oh, to put your picture in it for like a picture frame and stuff.
See that, guys?
Yeah.
This is a picture frame. Yeah. You can just use a DIY one and it looks nice.
Yeah, and also you could get a cheap one and get some corks and design it with it.
Okay.
And also you can paint the corks.
Oh, what he's trying to say, you get a cheap frame and you can design it with these corks, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can paint the corks.
If you want to.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, nice. So what's the next?
The
can you
next,
the next project?
one, the earrings.
Okay. Explain to them.
Okay. So guys, this is the earring one, and so you don't lose your earrings and stuff. And it's really easy to put the holes in.
All right. Get the other one.
Okay.
So.
Okay, this one, the third one we did. So the third one we did, I like it. So if you're like writing,
it's for like pen and pencils or something. You put them inside, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And pens.
And even your little scissors.
Yeah.
See that, guys?
Yep. Right. Now the last one.
Put this aside.
Yeah. Ooh.
All right.
So guys, look. This is a phone stand me and Daddy made. Okay, and
can you show them?
Yeah, to prove it. I'm gonna prove to you that it can work.
All right.
Okay,
put a phone
guys.
on top of it.
Okay, now stop.
See that, guys?
Yeah, see that, guys?
This can hold your phone. For you not to stress your fingers.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just put your phone on top of it and let it just relax yourself and easy work, easy for you to use. Yeah.
So when you're holding it for like a long time, you're gonna like stress your fingers out. So this is good to like not hold your fingers and stress it out.
I think this can even hold a little a tablet or iPad or something.
Yeah, I think so.
You see that, guys? You put the phone like this, you're good to go.
Voila.
All right, son. That's a good job. I hope we do more projects like this.
Okay.
Next time, because I really enjoy doing this one with you.
Okay.
All right? All right, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. See you in the next video.
Subscribe, like,
and
share.
And
so whenever we post a new video, you guys can get a notification, right, son?
Yeah. Yes. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.